Are you looking for the best cheap electric skateboards? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap electric skateboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vivi H2E. This electric skateboard longboard is powered by a 350-watt motor. That means that it can also be utilized as a standard non-electric skateboard because of very little drag. The brushless motor on board can reach speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour, and that's very impressive. It runs on 72mm PU wheels that are highly elastic with shock absorption properties and excellent grip on the road. It's got a powerful 2000 mAh 36 volts lithium-ion battery that's strong and stable. It also has a fast charging battery and will be full to power your electric skateboard in only 1.5 hours. The overall range of this motorized board should be 6.2 miles. This mini electric skateboard also comes with its very own wireless controller and will allow for 3-speed mode changes, so you may cruise at the speed that you desire, and makes it safe for children to ride too. Add the smart power on and off feature and it becomes a lot safer and more convenient. This high-quality electric skateboard's shell has a one-piece material and the battery won't be exposed, plus it has a IP rating of IPX5, it's very light and also portable, and is meant for teens and adults to use and enjoy. Number 2. Winsika Neutrino. Next on our list of best cheap electric skateboard under $200 price range is none other than the hip Winsika Neutrino. This 27.5-inch high-quality e-skateboard comes in a sleek and eye-catching design that's surely going to attract teens and adults alike. First of all, this is one of the most powerful electric skateboards on our list at 450 watts of motor power. It will allow you to reach a top speed of about 18.6 miles per hour, and with its 2.5-hour battery that's compact and secured in its design, this electric skateboard should be good for a whole afternoon of fun rides out under the sun. The battery pack is also fast charge at only 2 hours to boot. Getting around the campus or going for some errands or commutes will never go out of style with this stylistic e-board. It's got an uphill climb grade of 15 degrees and can hold riders of up to 200 pounds, which is a testament to its quality build. It comes with a wireless remote too, and its platform is made out of polypropylene and ABS, which is guaranteed to be very tough and long-lasting. This electric skateboard is meant for a lot of different terrains, even rough or uneven ones. Number 3. Cool and Amp, Fun Electric Skateboard. It's made out of maple wood and the wheels are polyurethane, and it's got a weight capacity of about 200 pounds. That means that it is meant for kids, teens, and even adults to enjoy. It's lightweight and portable, and you can easily carry it around with you whenever needed. It can go for 7 miles, as that is its utmost range, and it runs on a brushless motor that delivers 350 watts of power. The battery is safe and intact, and it can go for a top speed of about 8 miles per hour. It also runs in 3-speed options, so you may adjust it accordingly, and kids won't get intimidated by it, and you can be certain that they will be safe aboard it too. The lithium-ion battery can be fully charged in about 3 hours. It's actually more like an electric skateboard meant for some afternoon fun rather than for small distance commutes. It's sturdy and durable for sure and can withstand a long time even for its price. Also, it comes with a convenient remote control too that you may use for primary functions. Number 4. Hiboy S11. Now, if your kid or teen has been bugging you for an electric skateboard, then we highly recommend the Hiboy S11 electric skateboard. This electric skateboard right here is specifically designed for the youth to enjoy. The configuration and the design of this motorized skateboard are veered towards the beginners. It's generally great for fun rides, outdoors, and maybe even for short commutes. It's got a light frame but pretty solid construction, and it's got consistent and smooth power output. Its regenerative braking system is also quite innovative and results in smooth stoppage. It's got an ergonomic remote that can help you control the skateboard and switch from one of 4 speed mode that you may choose from. This durable board is also IPX for water resistant, and so you don't have to worry about its battery pack or electronics getting wet and damaged, especially with its compact casing. It only weighs 8.5 pounds and that's pretty lightweight and makes it effortless to carry. Number 5. Tulik 27.5. Last but least on our best electric skateboard under $200 review is none other than the Tulik 27.5 electric skateboard. Now, this electric skateboard is a little bit of an underdog as it's perhaps the least popular of all we listed and reviewed in this article. But, that's not to say that it's inferior in terms of extra features and quality. As a matter of fact, this electric board might be a bit better in a few categories, starting with its top speed at around 12.4 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour. This should also be one of the lightest at only 8.15 pounds. It's very portable and easy to manage. This electric longboard can go for about 6 to 8 miles with its 29.4 V 2.0R battery when fully charged. It's got a unibody design that's got all of its components built in, and with a waterproof certification of IP54, it's definitely usable even if it drizzles a little if you happen to ride through a puddle. It's got an auto cruise high-tech design that makes it hands-free, so riding should be ultra cool. You can also change direction easily if you want. The battery is also quick charging at imaging only about 2 hours, then you have yourself an electric skateboard that can go for another 6 to 8 miles.